You know I'm the PM. All eyes is on me. So each time I want to relax like this, I do it in the comfort of my home.
Chief, you have a point.
I always have a point. Come here. Now let me ask you. Do you know you are a beautiful girl and a sweet girl?
How will I know if you don't tell me?
Now you know that you are beautiful and sweet.
So, Chief Obaka, why don't you make me your permanent girlfriend? Instead of jumping from one girl to the other, I'm enough for you now.
I knew it. I know you're a jealous person. You don't want to share me with anyone. But you know I'm for everyone. Now let me tell you, I have what it takes to take care of you and go around, so don't bother.
I still want to be the one and only girl you have.
I will think about it if that's what you want.
What is keeping this man now? What is keeping these people? Eh? For almost 2 hours now. A man is still on top of a woman. And about marathon race. What is all this? These old men, they will not leave young girls alone. Eh? What if this man develop high BP now and die there? What they say? They say that he's trying to enjoy his life. At old age, you did not enjoy your life when you are young. What is all this thing? Let it no say my sister has killed somebody. I'm not hearing any sound though. Chief is not breathing. Yeah, can we go inside? Eh? Hi! This man. For almost 2 hours, oh. A man is still on top of a woman. Doing what? Are you farming? Hi!
One day, but you don't have to fight them. I'm a so gonna hug. Their blood will share. Oh, their lies will bring them down. One day. Whatever you sowed, you shall reap. Silence me, ikotego abanije furuwe, isikotego abatari anosa.
This man will finish my sister. This man will disfigure my sister. Oh. Eh? In the name of form. Open this door, Chief. Joy. You people can hear me. Open this door. I know you are in there. Open this door. Don't bring down your leg from that window. What is wrong with you? Don't pick that thing Chief is telling you to pick. Open this door. Chief, I'll break your door. I'll break your door. I'm not going to throw any bomb now. Chief, open this door. Joy, are you picking that thing? Joy, I will cut off that leg. Bring it down from the window. This man is not old. What is wrong with this man? You want to kill somebody's daughter because you are having fun. Eh? This is out of agreement. We did not plan on picking something or putting leg in the window. Look at this man. This man is not old though. He's not old though. And you're looking at it, you think he's old. Eh? Chief! You will die there. You will die on top of a woman. Oh. Open this door now. Philmond, Chief.
Noyin, what is it? Why are you like this? Why are you feeling so sad? It breaks my heart to see you like this. Eh? What is the problem?
Mama, everything is going to change after this. Look at me, Mama. Look at my condition. Who is is going to take me for who I am right now.
Oh, Nina, stop that. Stop that. Don't make God angry. You should be thankful for your life. God spared your life. You should be thankful for that. You should appreciate that God still kept you alive. Eh? And appreciate we that are here for you, those that loves you.
So love me?
Yes.
Where is John? For days I haven't seen him. He hasn't called me. He hasn't been here. Where is he? Don't you think he has abandoned me because of my condition, Mama?
No, don't say that. My daughter, it's my fault. Yes. How will I forget this kind of thing? It's my fault, my daughter. See, John called yesterday. He called yesterday, yes. He called yesterday. You were sleeping. I told him, let me wake you so that you talk to him. He said, no, I should not disturb you. This morning, he called again. I was outside. He promised he's going to call again today, this evening.
He did?
Yes. He called.
I didn't know he called, Mama.
And look at you here, you're crying.
I'm crying.
Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. Huh? He has not abandoned you. From Mom.
It's okay.
Well done, sir. Chief, well done. Clap for yourself. You have tried. Eh? You have tried to useless my sister. I heard what you are saying. You are vomiting from your mouth. And hang your leg here. Hang your leg on the window. Do as if you are picking mango. Chief, you have mango inside your room. Pick mango. Do this one. Pick that.
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you, how are you doing? Because Chief has scattered your system. Can't you see your neck is bending? Can't you see? See your neck is bending. Destroy your system.
Young man, Salas, or whatever they call you. What are you doing here? What do you want from me?
Chief, Chief, at your age, you're not supposed to be telling a girl to pick something from the window. One leg here, one leg on the roof. Huh?
Chief, I know what he wants. He's just a useless boy that goes from one house to the other, begging for money. Hey, he's a very useless boy like that. It's money he's looking for, but don't give it to him.
No. Don't worry. I have a reputation in this village to maintain. I don't want anybody that will ruin my reputation. Young man, I'm going to give you 20,000, and that is what I can afford now.
Chief, now you have come. See, let me tell you, it's not that you are too old, though. You're not too old. Eh? You just that, hey, now you are talking. You can even carry her now. She can even pick cassava, pick odara, pick tangerine, anything.
Is that what you want?
Yes! God, one of you can enter inside.
Silas, I will kill you. Why did you follow me? Why did you follow me?
Go inside.
Mama, stop crying. Wipe your tears away. Your child will be well again. Mama, ebezina kwa neficha nyagi na wagi gading mauso. Akwa mwabia ondeku wakusigo. Tell your God about these problems, Mama. Mama mwabia ondeku.
Let me see, Mama. I know what the doctor is saying. What are you doing here crying? Mama, you're not saying anything. Luca told me you went to see the doctor. What did he say?
He said my...
What did he say?
He said my son may not be able to use his legs again. That it will take time for him to walk again.
What?
And I don't know how long. Tell me, how am I supposed to bear this? My only son, the only eyes I used to see. Eloka is my hand. Eloka is my feet. Everything about me is Eloka. Tell me, how am I supposed to bear this?
How? Why? How they say a thing like that? Why? I'm finished. And I'm finished.
Hey, Chief, let her pick Okasi, tangerine, whatever, anything she can pick. Chief, oh, can I come the one that they call Mpombirimiri. Let her do as if she's swimming on Mpombirimiri so that you come from the back.
Now here comes 2,000.
Now
listen to me. Even your sister here, I am no longer interested on her. I don't want to have anything to do with her any longer.
Chief,
now,
it is your business, sister.
This is 10,000.
I have collected what I want.
Leave my compound. By the time I go in there and dress and come out, I don't want to meet you here.
Chief Ubaka, calm down now. We're having
I said I don't want to meet you here. We're having a good fun before your useless brother shows up.
Okay, add something.
Who knows what he's going to do next?
You will not do anything.
See, now, let me tell you, I don't want to get involved with the troublesome people. I have a family I cherish so much. By the time I go in there and dress and come out, I don't want to see you.
Let me dress
I
you.
don't
Let me dress
me
you.
what?
Chief Ubaka, it has not gotten to this now. Hey! Fellas, prepare to die, oh! Prepare to die!
What kept you for so long? I have been waiting for you. I need to go home and bring some things that we need here.
Don't worry, Mama. I am here now. How is my brother doing?
Nothing has changed. Still the same.
I have faith that he will be fine. I saw Ella at the bus stop.
Yes. She just left here. Please, look after your brother for me. Nogo, let me go home and bring something. I'm coming back right now. I won't waste time.
All right, Mama. No problem.
Mama besina kwa nefi chanyagi na mwagi gading moso akwa mwabia adeku wa kusigo. Tell your God about this problems, Mama. Mama mwabia adeku wa kugo. Sabu kama dunda kwa saya okosora nuchie kosora chumwa. Mama kosara chuma, kosara chuma, kosara chuma. I need to go to God. Tell your God your predicaments. Tell God all your problems.
Oh, Brother John, good day.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. What are you doing here?
Brother John, Brother John, we have been calling you, but you're not picking your calls. You got us worried.
Yes. You see, I've been so busy lately. So busy. I've not had time for myself. So, how is Onyinye? I mean, my girl.
Brother John, you mean you've not seen her?
I've not.
Here. My sister has been worried about you. Onyinye is worried. She really needs to see you.
I know. You see, I'm just coming back from Kano. I've not even changed. This is the clothes I traveled with. Okay? I was on my way home to go refresh and all that, but say you're going to the hospital.
Yes, I'm going to the hospital.
It's okay. We'll go together. Let me just join you so we'll go together. But before then, we'll stop at the shop so that I'll pick one or two things for her. Okay. Very important.
Thank you, Brother John.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right.
Happy to see you.
Oh, you can say that again.
My sister will be very happy.
This is tragedy, an ugly situation. Amalitan one jemono, Afro nerironi, erirona Afro one. Chukwu wapulu nwa ma This problem is too much. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence me,
There is no food in the house. I'm hungry.
Did you see pot on my head?
Mama, I don't like this thing you're doing. I have gone to the kitchen. There's no food there. All the pots are empty.
So what is that telling you? That is telling you that there's no food.
There is no food.
Yes.
Mama, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
And what do you want me to do?
Don't tell me you're not doing anything about my hunger. Mama, I have to do something about my hunger.
Yeah. Silas.
You have to do anything. How can a man like this come back from hustling? I will not see food to eat in my own house. Never.
Eh? What did you say?
How can a man like me go out there after hustling and come back to my own house? Head of the family. I will not see food to eat. It's not done. Never. I will not take it.
Very good. And you listen to me too very well. From today onwards, I'm not going to be responsible for you. Yes, because you are a man, you are a grown-up man. Silas, are you not ashamed of yourself? Your mates are out there working, struggling day in, day out to feed your mother. And you're standing here telling me I should give you food to eat. Now, Yala, are you normal? From today, it's Operation Feed Yourself.
Yeah?
Yes. Feed yourself.
It's all right. Mama don't go me few. In that case, you will no longer be my mother. Yes. We are now age mates. I will be your father. So that I will be taking care of you. Yes. Let me be your father so that I will be taking care of you as your father. Then you become my daughter. Yes, now. Since you cannot be feeding me, your son, the owner of this house, then let me be your father.
Silas.
Yes?
You will not be my father. And I will not be your father, or your mother, or your sister, anybody. I've told you to take care of yourself. If you cannot do that, that is your business.
Mama, I cannot take care of myself.
You
must take care of me. Never! I won't take it.
Never! I cannot take care of you. Go and look for money and feed yourself.
Never! There will be war!
No war!
Mama,
Papa, you are not serious.
Since you want to prepare egusi, put egusi, put akpomo, put ezibotano bribu.
Hey, hold it there. Just wait. I'm just even talking. I've not finished. From today onwards, you are going to take care of yourself. You will now feed yourself.
All right.
Mama, I don't understand. Is this how to welcome your
Why
lovely
will
daughter?
you understand? Why will you understand? You walked in here like a lost mommy water, and you're telling me you don't understand. Why will you understand?
Find me money. Give me money.
I got shift.
I said, give me money. I said, shift. What do you mean? I'm hungry.
Who is this madman?
The man of the house is hungry, and nobody's doing anything about it.
Silence.
Shift.
Avoid me.
You have gone there to do waka waka.
Did I do it with your business? Go and do your own.
Then bring money.
Do your own.
Bring, Mama, tell your daughter to give me money to feed me.
Mama, feed
me.
Feed who?
People should feed me.
You feed yourselves.
I'm the man of the house to feed me.
Shameless man. Hey, Silas.
Bring that back.
Don't cut my bag.
Bring that back now. Bring that back now.
Mama.
John, which Mama? If you mention my name, I will remove those things. You caught it in your mouth.
Mama,
you mad?
Hey, good mother. I'll keep my bag.
Mama, tell your daughter to feed me now.
I should feed you as what?
Feed me. I'm the head of the family. People who are feed. I will not take it.
Silas, if you cut my bag, I will kill you. Silas, Mama, I will kill your son. No. Hey!
Don't mind them, their joy. Truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green glass woman. They know her. They don't just hurt
that you dressed like this. Where are you going to? Hey, Ella, this decision you are about taking now. Yes, you better think twice. Think. Don't just take decision in a haste, Ella. I'm your mother. I will not mislead you.
Mama.
Don't take decisions in a haste.
You don't have to worry. I am sure about this one. I know what I saw and heard in the hospital today. And look, I will never walk with his legs again.
And so? Ginema?
And so? My own mother saying and so? So, Mama, you expect me to marry a cripple? God forbid.
Ella, my daughter, don't just be heartless by calling that young man a cripple. This same person you are calling a cripple is the same person that saw you through the school. Yes, you don't need to take decision in a haste, like I keep telling you. Eh? Now let me tell you, don't abandon him now. This is the time he needed you most. Biko,
Mama,
don't abandon him. Think.
So I don't understand. You want me to marry a cripple simply because he trained me in school? Mama, are you really saying this to me?
Patience, my daughter. Patience, Ndidi. Patience.
Mama, see, I am a woman and I don't have all the time in the world. I have my own life to live. I cannot marry a local. I cannot marry a cripple. You have to understand that. Stop making me feel guilty now.
I bet you are guilty already now. Can't you see? Can't you see? I'm your mother. I cannot mislead you.
Mama, it's obvious my presence is no longer needed in this village. I'm going to the city now. When I get to the city, I'll call you.
They are green snake in a green glass woman. They know her. They don't just hurt you on your windshield.
Have you seen John? Have you seen John? Please, John, Amanda, John. Have you seen John? Eat John. I told you he's going to come as soon as he returns. Look at John.
Mom, actually, the meeting stayed longer than we planned it. My love, how are you faring now?
Well, I am fine. But now that you're here, I am way better.
Oh my God. That's beautiful. Very beautiful.
My son, we'll be going for X-ray tomorrow. It's after that we'll know how she's progressing.
That's okay. You will find him. You will find. Oh. I have a call. I have a call. Let me pick this call in. Yeah, hello.
My leg.
Don't mind them, they're truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green grass woman. They know her. They don't just hurt you. On your principle, like an issue. They take pride in the pains they cause you now. So they take pride in the pains they cause you. They try to blame you always, but you don't have to fight them. I know so wanna go. Their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down one day, but you don't have to fight them. I know so wanna go. Their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down one day. Whatever you sowed, you shall reap. Silence ni kotego kwa. Ikotego kwa banjike. Isikotego vulu. Abatari ya noso. Mr. Silence echemni na wanya. Ikotego kwa banjike. Mr. Silence ne ibatibe. Abatari ya noso. Akwanda bagologi iwa. Kiti tolibe. Ikotego kwa banjike. Watibenya biwa woto ibaboso. Abatari ya noso. Watibenya biwa woto ibaboso. Abatari ya noso. Obi fellow fanazu, mane ebwe makiwe, sisi nie makisio. Forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness. But because you deserve peace of mind, do you agree with me? One Ebwa makiwa nenuwe niye makisia. Ebwa makiwa niye makisia. Amuma najua. Amuma najua.
What kind of bad omen is this? Eh? Here. What is it? Eh? Let me ask a question. Why is it that the very wicked ones will be living long? They'll be very comfortable. But the good people will just go like that, fiam, one by one. Why? Look at that idiot who calls himself my son, Silas. He is walking about everywhere, free. Mbanu.
Okay. Please don't wish your son evil. I know how painful it is for a mother to watch her son in pain. Especially when she knows that he will not walk with his 2 legs again.
Bia, what did you just say? What did you just say now? That Eloka will not walk with his 2 legs again. And you are sure you are shaking your head, Nene? Yeah! You mean he is crippled? That is what you are telling me. Chimo! Nene? Yeah! Hey! Mbanono. Bia, Nene? Don't worry yourself. I know of a very good medicine man. By the time he puts his hand on Eloka's leg, you see them very straight and he will walk. Are you hearing me? We'll find time to go and sing it. In short, I want us to go now.
Don't mind them, their job. Truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green grass one them. They don't just hurt you. On your principle, I can see. They take pride in the pains they cause you.
Young man, I'm going to give you 20,000, and that is what I can afford now.
Chief, now you have come. See, let me tell you, it's not that you are too old, though. You're not too old. It's just that now you are talking. You can even carry her now. She can even pick cassava, pick odara, pick tangerine, anything.
Is that what you want?
Yes! God, one of you can enter inside.
Silence. I will kill. Why did you follow me? Why did you follow me?
Go inside.
Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence me, kotego kwa. Ikotego kwa banije. Isikotego. Abatari ya noso. Mr. Silence echemina wanya. Ikotego kwa banije. Mr. Silence ne ibatibe. Abatari ya noso. Abanda bagologiwa.
Good day, doctor.
Oh, good day, Mr. John.
Yeah. How about my fiancée? I mean, I want to find out how she's recuperating.
Which patient are you talking about?
Oh, the patient in Ward A, room 103.
Oh, okay. She'll be fine.
Doctor, I want to discuss something very important with you.
Okay, go ahead.
And it's about I and my fiancée. We're planning to get married by the end of the year. So I want to find out the possibilities of that plan coming to fruition, I mean, in the circumstance.
Mr. John, you see, your fiancée was badly injured in that accident. It's a miracle that she survived that ghastly accident. But unfortunately, due to the extent of the damage, it's going to take a very long time for the bones to heal completely. So I suggest you pray.
Doctor, how long is a very long time?
We're actually doing our best with the treatment, but if you ask me, 2 years or more, I don't...
2 years? To recuperate?
Mr. John, you're a Christian, right? So I suggest you pray hard. Excuse me.
What is this? Open this door for me. I want to go inside. Are you not the one I'm talking to, Silas? Open this door. I want to go inside the house.
Oh. Mama, please. Please. I'm the head of this family. I have locked my house. Nobody will enter this house until my money that crawled out from my pockets and disappeared crawl back inside. Else, never. Nobody will enter inside.
Something is wrong with you. Something is completely wrong with you. You have money. Where did you get the money from? Which money into your pocket? Crawl from your pocket into which pocket? Let me have the key. Open this gate. I want to go inside.
Mama, I will not open it. I have locked my house. I'm the owner of this house. I have locked my house. You are my tenants. You people are my tenants. You people should pack out.
Silas, you don't want to open the gate.
Mama, I will not open it.
You don't want to open the gate.
I will not open it. Never. I will not open it.
Silas, you don't want to open the gate, okay?
I will not open it.
You don't want to open the gate.
Okay, Mama, you want to fight me?
Okay, you don't want to open the
gate. You are
gate.
going for war.
Okay.
It's all right.
Wait for me.
It's all right, Mama.
Okay, you are bouncing. Silas, you are bouncing. You are bouncing, right, Silas. Hey!
Hold on.
Silas, you want to fight me?
Hold on, no.
Silas, you are bouncing.
Let me remove my clothes. Hold on.
Okay,
hold on, Mama.
Silas, you are bouncing.
War have roots.
You want to wait for me?
Mama, war have roots.
You have roots.
Hold on.
Okay, we shall see.
All right.
Silas, let me have the key.
All right.
Let me have the key.
One.
Let me have the key.
I will kill you now.
Okay. Don't worry. You will come back and meet me here. Oh, Chimo, it's not good to follow these children. They will just kill you.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, nurse.
How are you doing today?
Much better. Thank you.
Okay.
Nurse, can you do me a favor? Sure. Can I use your phone to make a call?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Ella, where's the hair you promised to give me?
Babe, I will. I'll still give it to you. You know, I went to the village and I got distracted.
Your phone is ringing. Answer your call.
I don't want to talk to Eloka. He's in my past now.
At least answer the call so you can hear him out.
He's not even the one. Hello. Ella on the line.
Who was that?
Eloka. I don't want to talk to him.
Ella. Ella.
There is nothing you or anyone else will do or say that will make me change my mind. I cannot marry a cripple. I mean, I cannot spend the rest of my life with a cripple. I love Eloka, no doubt, but love alone is not enough. I have my own life to live, and I deserve to be happy. Ella, I just hope you know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing.
Don't mind them, their job. Truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green glass woman. They don't just hurt you. On your windshield, I can see you.
Thank you.
So are you okay? You look sad.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll be fine. Thank you.
I'm so gonna go. Their blood will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down. One day, but you don't have to fight.
Why did you give me this boy as a child? Why? What have I done to deserve him?
Mama the mama.
Wait. You have finally decided to come back home. Okay? Open this door, I want to go inside.
Mama, what about your key now?
What sort of stupid question is that? I'll be holding my key and I'll be sitting outside here. Your brother locked me outside here since I came back.
What? Mama, my key is not here. My key is inside the house. Why would that bushfowl lock the gates now?
Joy, did you take his money?
Mama, Biko. There are some questions I don't like to answer.
There are some questions you don't like to answer. He is complaining that his money is missing. The money left his pocket. And he wants the money to come back into his pocket before he can open this door.
Oga Silas.
Hello. So, Mama, your nick poop of your daughter is back. Well, I'm happy she's back because I know that by now you people have arranged my money in different currencies. 1,000 to 2,000, different denomination. And pack it and keep for me and let me have it. Else, if you don't bring it, I will do what is in my mind.
What else is in your mind?
Silas, why did you lock the gates? Are you stupid?
Silas, you have locked me out here since. What have I done to you to deserve all this? Silas, as a mother. Okay.
You people should bring my money. Else, all of us will sleep outside here today. All of us will sleep outside here. Let evil spirit come and do tumbo and choose who to kill. I know evil spirit cannot kill me. Evil spirit cannot touch me. Because evil spirit is my friend.
You cannot even try. Open this door. I'm very tired. I want to shower. Open this door now. Mama.
Are you mad? Mama.
Mama, it looks like you're not tired of sitting here because I'm fighting for you. You're asking me this thing now.
Don't fight for me.
Hey, you will sit down here now.
Please, you know
Open this door. Mama, it's really his baby.
Use your guru to flog me.
I won't do it. Never! Until my money comes out.
Which money?
Nobody is going
inside
this
house. Do you have
house.
money? Which money?
Else!
Excuse me, yeah!
You should have jumped out of the keke, mad woman.
Very annoying girl. Did you see what just happened? Very stupid girl.
very annoying girl. She caused this. See me now, I'm in a wheelchair. Can you imagine? I'm here in the hospital. And she has the guts to want to fight with me after she has caused this. I told you to slap the girl. Why didn't you slap her?
I can't slap her.
Slap her now.
She's still in pain, brother. I can't do that. You know
You
that.
concern me?
Brother, please. It's okay. This is not the right time for all these things. You just have to heal first.
So freaking annoying. And she's talking to me. I don't even know how she even got out of that accident. She should have just died there. And leave me. I probably wouldn't even be here by now.
God forbid.
What do you mean God forbid? For what? She should die now.
Ha, brother. Please. Don't wish someone death. Eh? Even your worst enemy don't have right to say this. Biko, please.
That should tell you how angry I am and how pissed that I am. If I wish somebody dead, then she should have died.
Please. Just calm down. I understand how everything happened. I understand how you feel. Eh? In no time now, you'll be out of here. Please. Hmm?
Wow.
This is really tough on her. You see, Mr. John, at this point, she needs your support. 100%.
Come on. Stop crying. Stop doing this to yourself. I am very sure that someday you will walk again. You will walk on your feet again. Okay? Just pull yourself together. You'll be fine. Okay?
Okay, in the next 2 weeks, she will be discharged. Then she can go home, come on appointment for medical checkups.
Right.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Trust me, you will walk with your both legs.
Yeah.
Mr. John.
Yes, doctor.
Like I said before, you said you're a Christian, right?
I believe in God.
Pray hard. There's nothing that God can do.
Thank you. I'll pray. I'll pray. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So I'll see you guys later.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
Where did I go wrong? What did I do wrong? What did I do to get this? Where?
You didn't go wrong. You didn't do anything wrong, okay? You were fine. Just believe me, you'll walk again. Yeah, you'll walk again. I'll be there for you. I'll love you, I'll support you, okay? Cross my heart. I'll be by your side and you'll be fine. It's okay.
I said it. Every day one will not rest in this house. Nana will hang her shoulder up. She'll be walking like peacock. You know those horrible, those old layer, they are arranged in fridge. You know at times when there's no light again, some of them will be doing like this, some of them will be doing like this. Every blessed day, I will not rest. Nana will be shaking her waist. They are cooling off in the hospital, both mother and child. The two of them, they are resting. They are lying their feet very well, cooling down. I wish there's AC in that hospital to cool them very well.
AC. Let them die with heat there now. They don't need AC. It serves them right.
No fear. Pia, I am thinking something. Something is in my mind and I'm scared. That young man might not walk again, no. That is the end of the road for those two legs, those two things he called them. I'm telling you.
Mama, it's good like that. It's even better. Okay. Every day we'll not hear word in this compound. Hey, look at this. Hey, look at that. Hey, look about this one. Oh. Hey, look about that one. Hey, look, it's coming today. Oh.
Nkachi, what is it? Who is chasing you? Yeah. Nkachi,
speak now. What is it?
He's alive. Eh? He's alive. He's alive what? He's alive. Where's his alive? Hey! He was shot.
Cause where?
He was shot.
I really need to understand what you say. Is this any fault of mine? No, did I willingly confide myself to a wheelchair?
Onyinye, you're talking balderdash. I mean, you're talking nonsense. You think you are the only one who has issues? I do. Okay, have you ever thought of what I go through? Seeing in this condition. Have you ever thought about it? You think I'm happy?
I can't believe what I'm hearing. What exactly are you trying to say? Am I a problem to you now? John, if there's something you want to say, can you just come out and say it?
Onyinye, I am an adult. A full-blown adult. And I take responsibility for whatever decision I make. What's your own?
Just, wow. Wow. Onyinye, that is what it is now. No more baby, right?
You see, you just need to clear your head off cobwebs. That's what you need. You need some time to cool off and pull yourself together. You're not thinking straight. You're not. Excuse me.
Listen. Don't touch this chair. Just let me wheel myself out. Don't touch my chair. Can you just leave this chair? Don't touch it.
It's okay, son. Maybe she is busy and not with her phone. And she might call back later.
Why is Ella not answering my calls? Why is Ella avoiding my calls?
Brother, maybe she's trying to put some things in order.
Don't find excuses for her. Why are you getting excuses for her? Are you there? Have I called once or twice? I've called many times now. And she's not answering my call. And you want to find an excuse for her? I've always been supportive of Ella. Every time Ella will call me, one, I will come, two, I will come, this. I'm always there. And here I am in the hospital and she's not showing face. And you want to find an excuse for her? What's wrong with you? How now?
My son, please. Don't conclude yet. Who knows? She might be going through some difficulties.
Mama, what is more difficult than what I'm going through? What is out there that is so difficult more than what I am going through right now? And that she can't come and see me? What is it? Who is lying on this bed? Is it not me? Spending money, me. Going through pains, it's me. And she cannot come and see me. Today she cannot see me. It's simple. I just conclude that she was around me because of my money. That's my only conclusion now.
My son, just calm down. The most important thing now is your health. We just have to pray for God to heal you.
Exactly.
Forget about Ella for now. Let God heal you. That is the most important thing. Yes, you don't need to trouble yourself, Biko. Oh? Biko, relax.
Silas, have you not disgraced yourself enough? I'm asking you. Look at how you have assaulted yourself today.
Mama, did you say himself or us?
Will you shut up the mic there? Mama is talking and you are talking.
Why should I not speak? Am I the one caught sleeping with late Ikenga's wife?
Have you not been caught before?
Oh, shut up. I'm better than you.
Have you not been caught before with bricklayers and kai men?
I'm better than you.
You are not. You are not.
I'm still better than you.
Shut up.
Mama, speak to him. He's the foolish one here.
Silas, of all the women in this community, of all the women in this whole wide world, Silas, you did not see anyone other than a widow to sleep with. Okay?
Mama, is a widow, not a woman. It's a widow, not a woman. A widow is a woman now. After all, I told you to give me money, let me go for 5 years. You refuse. I say why is cheap now.
Silas, are you okay? So the husband left her for you?
Yes, the husband has died now. Will he take his wife to the grave?
He did give away to you, okay?
Yes.
And you're saying it with all boldness, Silas. What if he dies, Silas?
But if he dies, is there any need? If you like, sleep with your mad woman.
Silas, come back here. Where are you going to?
Mama, please. Allow me to go and see my guys.
You want to go and see your guys?
Yeah, let me go and see my guys.
You will not follow us home.
Hey!
You!
Silas, let's go.
No, you can't do anything. If you like sleep with a mad woman,
you are running, okay?
In a green grass, one man, they don't just hurt you. On your principle, like an issue. They take pride in the pains they cause you.
Nonsense! I can't take that anymore! Rubbish! Why? Arrant nonsense! I think it's officially over for me now! I can't take that anymore! What? How dare she talk? Imagine! How? It's over! As far as I'm concerned, everything has come to end of the road! Nonsense! I do the spending, I do everything, and at the end of the day, you got the sagacity to talk to me like that?
Noyin, please, you shouldn't be doing this, please. What else do you want me to do? You don't understand. That man is my life. I can't bear to lose him. I don't want to lose him.
Sister, but this is just mere misunderstanding. He will come around. Besides, this is not the first time you both are having arguments. Please.
You don't get it. I think I spoke to him in a manner I shouldn't have. I raised my voice. I wasn't thinking straight. I didn't know what to say. I was frustrated. Please, you need to talk to him. You need to talk to him on my behalf. Just tell him I'm sorry. Please.
Okay, please. Okay, sister, but please, not today. I have an errand to run on my way home. Please. Not today, please.
Alright, but I'll leave his address with you. Just tell him I am sorry. Tell him I promise I will never speak to him like that again.
Okay. Sister, please stop crying.
But he is my life. If he leaves, I won't survive this. I won't
happen to you.
Please.
Sister, please, it's okay.
Oh my God, what is happening to me?
Sister, please stop crying. Stop crying. Please.
Okay. Just like I said, you have nothing to worry about. Everything will be fine. Okay? I will get one of the nurses to take care of you.
Doctor, please. Please, doctor. Come and have a look at her. Biko.
Madam,
yes, doctor.
I advise you go look for money. We can't proceed with the treatment without the payment.
Doctor, Biko, I promise we will pay, Biko. I swear, we will pay. I will pay, Biko.
You kept saying this for weeks. Don't forget we don't run a charity organization here.
Doctor, I know, Biko, but I cannot bear to see my daughter in so much pain. Biko, come and save her life. Oh, see, I'm going to pay to the last kobo. I swear, I will pay to the last kobo. Biko, Doctor, Biko, in a joke, Biko.
Doctor, please, help her. Huh?
It's okay. Doctor, please, how much are we talking about? How much is it? You know, never mind. Can you just add it to my bill? Yes, just add it to my bill. It doesn't matter.
That's so thoughtful of you.
Ezoku.
Okay.
My son, God bless you. God bless you, my son.
Mama, please stand down.
God bless you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Namdalo, thank you. Thank you.
From today, if there are any needs, just let me know. Yes, I'll take care of you and your daughter. It's fine. Just let me know. And doctor, please, if there are any bills from today, just add it to mine.
It's okay.
Not a problem.
It's okay.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
Just like that.
It's fine.
Madam, let's go. So
Let's go.
So
Mama, thank you. God
You're
bless
welcome.
you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Nadalo.
just like I said before, don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay?
Let's go. My son.
Yes, Mama.
God bless you. You have done well.
That's such a pitiful situation.
Honestly.
Hi.
It's so pathetic.
You just thank God I can afford it. Yeah, see what people are going through.
Honestly. That makes me happy in life.
What do you mean?
Just one little thing. One little promise you made. You could not even keep it. You promised to take care of my hospital bills. And just because my mom is not around, now they're asking me to leave the world that the bills were not settled. How less of a man can you be?
What are you talking about? I told them I would pay for your bills.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, the nurse who just left here now said I should leave because my bills haven't been settled.
Okay, so there's a misunderstanding. There is something wrong somewhere. I need to go there and check it out. I said I will pay for your bills. I even told your mother. So what are you telling me? I cannot make a promise I will not fulfill now. What is it? I even thought it was a different problem. If it is the same bills problem, it's been sorted out, or it should have been sorted out. Look, I'm going to go to the administration and tell them again. I said I will pay. Stop crying. If it is a different problem, we can talk that one. If it is bills, I said I will pay. Stop crying. Calm down. Cool down now. Relax. Yeah? I will pay for it. It's not a problem.